So hey guys, welcome to the channel CK Tech. So today in this video, I'm going to explain you how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox in our local machine. But before that, I request each and every one of you who's watching this video, please like, share and subscribe. Also put the bell icon on so whenever I upload a new video, you will receive the notifications. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Download and installation of Oracle VirtualBox. That's fine, but what exactly Oracle VirtualBox is meant for? Let's take a look. Oracle Virtual Machine or a virtual box is a virtualization software enables developers to deliver code faster by running multiple operating systems on a single device. Okay, let me get this right. For example, if you have a machine and this machine is primarily running with Windows in it, and if you want to install Linux distribution operating systems like CentOS, Red Hat in the same device, then you can do it virtually by using Oracle VirtualBox. On the other hand, if your machine is primarily installed with Linux distribution operating systems, which is a required operating system for your work, then you don't need to specifically install Oracle VirtualBox in it. Unless and until if you want to install Windows or Mac operating systems virtually in the same device. Okay, now let's take a look at how to download and install Oracle VirtualBox. Open your browser, Google Oracle VirtualBox. It's available here. Click on the first link. Scroll down and click here download VirtualBox 7.0 and choose based on your host operating system. My host operating system is Windows, so now I'm selecting Windows host. It will be downloaded and it will take at least few seconds to complete the download. Now let's start installing the VirtualBox. Click on the run, click next, and yes, proceed to the installation. Now let's begin the installation. Now let's finish it and start Oracle VirtualBox. Let's see how it looks like. So here it is. This is the Oracle VirtualBox. And now here you can see there are few options available in the top. If you need to install the operating system virtually by using this Oracle VirtualBox, you need to click New. So here you need to give the name of the operating system which you want to install. Let's say CentOS. See, when the moment I type CentOS in the name box, it automatically detected that this CentOS is belong to the Linux distribution. So click on the next. Now here you have two options, base memory and processors. Base memory is nothing but virtual RAM. So how much amount of the virtual RAM you want to give to the operating system, you can do it on your own based on your requirement. So my requirement is up to 204, nothing but 2 GB. Now the second option is processors. So how many amount of CPUs you have, how many amount of CPUs you're running for this operating system. So based on the requirement, you can select number of operating systems. For me, it is only one. So one CPU, I'm selecting only one CPU and go to next. Now here you can find virtual hard drive. So how much amount of the virtual hard drive you want to assign to your operating system, it all depends upon your requirement. So for me, it is 20 GB and it is more than enough for me. And click next and click finish. That's it. And navigate your cursor to the CentOS tab, right click and go to the settings. In this window, you will find multiple settings available to this operating system. First one is general and second one is system related operating systems and third one is display related operating systems and fourth one, this one is the storage where you will add virtual hard drive which is nothing but .iso file, and here audio settings and here network settings. So once CentOS has been successfully installed, then you need to connect that operating system to the network. So here where you will configure and go to the next settings, serial ports, USBs. These two options are not that much useful unless you have an external cables. And share folders where you can share folder from Windows to Linux and Linux to Windows. And here it is user interface. So these are the overall options available to the CentOS. And click OK. So this is how you can add virtual operating system into Oracle VirtualBox. So that's it for the video. If you think this video is valuable to you, please like, share, and subscribe. Also, put the bell icon on so that whenever I upload videos, you will be notified. And that's all for today, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.